Hi you guys, if it's your first time here, then you're welcome to my channel. Without further ado, we're just gonna go right into it. So starting off on freshly washed hair, I'm just putting my braids in a bun. What the fuck is that face? Putting my braids in a bun, and then I'm ensuring that I detangle properly as I loosen my hair. At this point, I'm ensuring that I focus specifically on my roots to make sure that I detangle straight from the roots. And then a quick length check. My hair's growing, you guys. I'm done loosening my hair, and I would like my part to be close to the left side of my head, not necessarily in the middle. You can do your part however you like, but this is how I would like to do my part. And then you draw a line from the end of the middle part, or wherever your part is, to the other side of your ear. That's the side you're going to braid. So just twist that and put that away. Go ahead and twist out the rest of your hair, so you should be left with just the front section. Go ahead and part the first braid you'll be doing, you guys. This took me forever, but then part the first braids and put the rest of that front section away so you can work with just the part that you have done right now. I'm going in with my anti-dandruff cream on my scalp and my leave-in conditioner for my ends and my roots, to just making sure that I get through the hair thoroughly. And then I proceed to do my flat twist. So for this style, I did not feel like doing braids. I decided I was going to do flat twists for the front, just because it gives it a different look, I guess. So yeah, the rest of this is just basically me doing a flat twist, and I do not know how to give a tutorial on a flat twist. Nonetheless, if you like that, do let me know in the comment section. At this point, I would like to quickly apologize for the overexposed frame. I initially put it on the correct setting. If you notice at the beginning of the video, everything was going smoothly until this part of the video. So I thought it wouldn't look good if I locked in the exposure. So I removed it and just continued filming, and it started fluctuating. I didn't notice on time I had filmed the whole video, and then I realized that some parts were just unnecessarily overexposed, and when I tried to adjust them, my skin was looking metallic, which is the result that you would see in some clips. So I apologize for that, and I will try to do better next time. This is my first official video, so bear with me, you guys. Enjoy the rest of the video, and I'll be coming back to let you know the next steps I'll be taking. If you've been watching my video up to this point, then clearly you're enjoying the content. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can stay in the loop and get notified when I post again. You're just gonna go ahead and do the same thing until you're done with that front part that we made. Do your flat twist until you're done with that part, and then you want to loosen the sections that we initially twisted and make sure that you saturate them with your hair product. So I'm just going in the same thing I did initially with the anti-dandruff cream on my scalp and the leave-in conditioner on my ends and my roots, but I'm focusing mainly on my ends with the leave-in conditioner. So just go ahead and do that all around your head, and make sure that you detangle each section thoroughly as you go in. Here I'm going with my white tooth comb, and then with my detangle brush, and then I'm just putting it back into a section. You do this for your whole head, and then you let it sit for a bit. Once you've let it sit for a bit, loosen the twist and ensure to detangle properly. I like to detangle my hair as much as I can because it's kinky and it does get knots from time to time. And at this point, you're just going to pack your hair, make it as smooth as possible. Go ahead and loosen the twist in front. Quick length check again. and try to make the front as smooth as possible. Now, I did not have a brush, so this made it excessively hard for me, but if you do have a brush, I recommend that you go in with that instead, because it will be a lot easier to get the hairs that would fly away rather than using a wide tooth comb. Here I'm retwisting my twist, if that makes sense. So essentially what I'm doing is just trying to make them look as neat and as flat as possible. So I'm twisting them in the direction that I had already twisted them in, just turning them so that they're flat and they look as neat as I can possibly get them to look. So everything lies in the front, because my hair will be combed in the front, so I don't want the twist looking too bulky, because that will just throw the whole thing off. Once you've done that, going with your gel, I'm using the blue gel, I can't remember the name, but I'll put the picture up. Going with your brush, ensure to put gel on the sides that you twisted, and then seal everything up with your edge scarf. This is my favorite. If you guys know, you know. Now you can leave your hair like this, just packed, it's fine, but I prefer to put it in twists so that my ends do not end up in knots. So I'm just twisting it in 4 sections, and you see at the end of the clip that I have 4 twists. You should have 4 twists. You can do more, but I decided to do 4. So basically you're just going to fold them against the way you packed your hair, the first scrunchie you used to pack your hair, and then you're going to use another scrunchie to hold the ends of the twist in place, so it gives like a twisted pseudo bun. For this, you can actually use extensions if you would like, or you could just use your normal hair. I'm just using my hair alone because I want to. So it's the next day and it's time for the reveal. Oh my goodness, would you look at those twists, and my hair is sleek, the bun is looking good. Added a few accessories just to make the hair pop. And if you got this far, then I want to say thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.